Here's a quick video on how to open a can using a multi-tool or pocket knife can opener. Basic home preps usually include canned foods, and in the event your dedicated can opener fails, you can use the opener found on most multi-tools and Swiss Army style knives. So for those of you who have this particular tool and aren't sure how to use it, I hope you find this video helpful. I'll be using a combination cap lifter can opener for this demonstration. This particular can opener cuts from the tip backward using an upward motion like this. Now place the bottom notch of the can opener on the outside lip of the can. Then place the top of the blade inside and against the lid, like so. Next, pierce and cut the can using an upward motion. This is what the initial puncture should look like. Now reposition the cutting blade by lining up the tip of the blade on the end of the last cut you made and repeating the same upward motion to make your second cut. Here's what the puncture in the first cut looks like from another angle. Continue making cuts until you've made it all the way around the can. So that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.